guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up the Zamazenta tin that I won from Phantom Finds. And I also got some sleeves, a bunch of code cards I'll be showing you guys at the end of the video, and this awesome looking coin. Now I'm going to read off the back to show you guys what's inside. 1 of 2 foil Pokemon V, Zacian V, or Zamazenta V. 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card to unlock a promo card in the Pokemon Trading Card Game online. Let's rip into it.
Trying to get this open.
Got it. I also want to mention this cool looking mat that I got from Bubblemon. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. And here's a good look of this promo card, the Zamazenta. Here's the code card for the tin. And this awesome promo Zamazenta card. We have 5 packs, 1 XY Evolutions, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, a Sword and Shield pack, and 2 Sword and Shield Rebel Clash packs. Let's open these packs up and see if we can get any good pulls. I'm going to start out with the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash pack. Time Pull, Trubbish, Hollow Paddle, Honage, Litwick, Reverse Hollow Amplin, Galarian Darmanitan, Energy Card, Charjabug, Metapod, Burning Scarf, code card, Vulpix, Phantom, Galarian Farfetch'd, Screwvit, Galarian Mr. Meme, Reverse Hollow, Hollow Paddle. Oh, Eldcross V card. That is awesome. Energy card, Muscarian, Doublade, Capture Energy, code card, Sword and Shield pack, Wooloo, Joltex, Salandit, Clobbopus, Ghastly, Reverse Hollow Maractus, Hollow Caparaja, Energy card, Sadawudu, Eldegoss, Energy Search, Code card, Burning Shadows, Frostmog, Panseer, Magikarp, Mudbray, Alolan Watata, Reverse Hollow Oddish, Tortonator, Energy card, Electabuzz, Mount Lanakee, Kawa, Code card. Last pack, guys. Let's see if we can get anything. Staryu, Tangela, Watata, Weedle, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow Metapod, Farfetch'd, Devolution Spray, Magmar, Switch, Code card. Before I show you guys all the good pulls, I'm gonna show you guys the code cards that I got from Phantom Finds.
Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card.
Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Code card. Last but not least, code card.
Now here's the pulls we got. Eldegoss V, Hollow Caparaja, Galarian Darmanitan, Farfetch'd, and a Tyranitar. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me open up the Zamazenta V tin that I won from Phantom Finds. I want to give a big thank you to Bubblemon for this awesome mat. The link to their channels will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time I pre-read on Pokemon. Bye guys!